In this video, we are going to show you how to generate favicon for your website. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. First, launch any web browser and open this website. You can find the link in the video description. This is an online favicon generator where you can generate favicon from text, image or emoji. All these methods have the same procedure, so let's go with the text. On the next screen, you can enter the text, then customize it by picking background, font, size, and colors. Then you can download the set of favicons for various device types. The website also has an installation guide to help you embed the favicon on your website. That's it guys, this is how you can generate favicon for your website. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.